Prithviraj, how are you?
I am fine. How about you?
Fine. Do you know Sri Krishna Meditation School?
Of course. I watch studies there from my KG classes.
Can you explain for most things about the school?
Yes. In our school, we start our day to earlier at 8:30 a.m.
It's true. Why this much earlier?
Why not? Because for 1 hour we learn the basics of every subject as per the schedule.
Can you remind the schedules?
Sure. We were subjected to following the schedule. Tables for Monday, Tamil subject for Tuesday, Hindi subject for Wednesday, English subject for Thursday, spoken English for Friday.
Wow. Then?
Not only our teachers conduct prayer, but they also include Tirukural, Proverbs, news reading, spoken English, general knowledge, students and teachers speech. All those things make us free from stage fear.
Oh, it's happy to hear.
Wait, it's not finished. We have asked you to attend the personal skill improvement status. It also vary day to day. Exercise for Monday, meditation for Tuesday, Silambam for Wednesday, general quiz for Thursday, yoga class for Friday. Those skills are taught by well-experienced tutor.
Very interesting, but it's not enough.
You are right. I only complete the 1/4 of the things what our school did for us.
Oh, you did not finish your discourse.
Never. In our afternoon session, one thing is unbelievable.
What is it?
Listen, our teachers asked Tirukural from everyone before leaving to lunch and also taught daily one Tirukural before taking food.
Sound good. I hear many persons like man in right way by Tirukural.
We have separate schedule for lunch to eliminate malnutrition and deficiency.
Okay, it's enough. But I was here. The class is going on, especially for girls in your school.
Thanks for remembering it. Weekly twice classical